The Welsh Government formally recognised British Sign Language as a language in its own right in 2004, and I would be the first to recognise that more could be done to develop a coordinated approach to the promotion and support for BSL, and work is ongoing in recognition of this. We are continuing to address the issues and difficulties being faced by members of the deaf community in Wales. This includes supporting training to increase the number of qualified interpreters in Wales, and we are in the process of tendering for a review of BSL provision for adults in Wales, which will report in June. We are aware that current provision is limited. It's limited for the offer. It's limited for access and capacity to deliver it to. Despite this, ultimately, what is important is that I want to develop a fair and equitable system. So that review will look at current provision. We will also look at latent demand for BSL provision for adults in Wales, what factors facilitate or act as a barrier to that demand. The Welsh Government will consider BSL as an essential communication skill, and as such, what would the costs be to delivering that to a level 2? Do we have the workforce to deliver that to a level 2? So this work will be ongoing, and as I said, will report in June. One of the options that we are actively considering is indeed a national charter for the delivery of services and resources to deaf children, young people and their families. We envisage that that charter between the Welsh Government, local authorities and other partners would help us understand current provision. It would also reflect the good practice guidance and standards being developed on deaf hearing loss to support the implementation of our Social Services and Wellbeing Act. Critically, it would also help us to address the current shortage of interpreters and tutors.